Welcome to another episode of 4x4 Explore. This is episode 2 of our Oodnadatta track adventures. Fasten your seatbelts as we journey from the Painted Desert to Williamstown. In this episode, we will visit the relics of the Olgan Railway. Its construction started in 1878, connecting Port Augusta to Alice Springs along the telegraph track pioneered by the explorer John McDowell Stuart. The choice of the Oodnadatta track was strategic, driven by the necessity for water supply crucial to the steam engines. Here we have the Algie-Bukina Bridge, a historic gem on the Oodnadatta track. Built as part of the Olgan Railway, this steel giant spans the Niles River. It was constructed in 1891, standing at 175 meters long with multiple steel spans. It's still the longest bridge in South Australia. Back in the day, it played a vital role in railway operations. Now, it's a reminder of our railway history set against the stunning outback landscape. This is a Dutton sidings, one of the many sidings seen in ruins along the track. Here, remnants of the Olgan Railway offer a glimpse into its operational past. These sidings served as practical hubs for loading and unloading goods, maintenance, and water refilling for steam engines. Abandoned now, they stand as historical artifacts, representing the functional aspects of early rail transport along the Oodnadatta track. A little detour. We are at the Peak Telegraph repeater station, and also it was also a homestead. So obviously all in ruins now. We're going to go and check that out. A repeater telegraph station operated here from 1870 to 1891, facilitating vital communication across vast distances until its relocation to Oodnadatta. I love walking through those old ruins like that. You can imagine when it was all built up and when there was activity, people actually living here. The remnants of Peak ruins is a silent witness to the challenges faced by early European settlers in the late 1800s. Peak Station was once the most remote outpost for European settlement. Not expect this, so a bit of a clue for people who can have a look here. There's quite a lot to do. I thought it was just like we saw before, just one building and that's it, but actually it's a whole village here, a whole village with mines, with everything, and you probably need to plan to be here for, I would say, a couple of hours if you want to do it all proper justice. We didn't. We just had a look at the village and that's it. We skipped the mines and the cemetery. So, but anyway, I really recommend it. It's maybe 20 minutes out of the way. It's they said 22 kilometers from the road. Renowned for its delays caused by the outback unpredictable downpours and sudden flash floods, the railway persevered until the 1980s and was then relocated long after diesel had replaced steam engines. Since 2001, it has been extended from Alice Springs to Darwin as per original plans. The Olgan Railway remains a symbol of Australia's heritage and enduring spirit. So we are still on the Oodnadatta track. We slept into a riverbed last night, right next to one of the bridge from the Ghan railway track, which is now of course abandoned. So it was a great night. We did not hear a single sound. It was great. No cars have passed through yet, so all good here. So the only thing is the sand in this riverbed is incredibly soft and we nearly got bogged last night. It's going to be interesting. We're going to try to get out of here without getting bogged. We will see how Keith manages. Is he such a good driver that he claims to be? Okay, so let's see what's happened. Well, that was easy. Not a problem. Driver Blair has performed again. I must admit though the tire was probably very soft because it is fairly cold and nippy this morning. So they would have been quite low down around the 20 psi's. So that's awesome. No need of digging for me. Ha ha ha. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Oodnadatta track. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode where we unravel the wonders of the magnificent Lake Eyre.